As the Columbus family who offered up their home in exchange for an essay is now backing out of the contest. We first introduced you to Deanna and Tim Railing this summer when they put their log home and close to 5 acres on the market. Beautiful house there. Now they've decided to give it to whoever wrote the best essay on life well lived. While the contest was supposed to last until November, last night the Railings announced they don't have enough essay submissions and the entire thing has become more financially and legally complicated than they first realized. Anyone who entered that contest should get a refund by mid-October.